Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Webull account. First, download the Webull app from your App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap Sign Up to begin registration. You'll need to provide an email address or phone number and create a strong password. This initial step is quick and gets you ready for the next stage of account setup. Make sure to keep your login details secure. Next, you'll complete your personal information. This includes your full legal name, date of birth, and social security number. Webull also requires details about your employment and financial situation to comply with regulations. You'll then upload a photo of a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport, for identity verification. This process ensures your account is secure and compliant. Now it's time to link your bank account. You can do this by securely logging into your bank through Webull's platform or by manually entering your bank's routing and account numbers. Webull may send small deposits, typically under $1, to verify the account. You'll then confirm these amounts in the app. This step is crucial for funding your trading activities. With your bank account linked, you can now fund your Webull account. Initiate a deposit from your linked bank, and the funds will typically settle within a few business days. Once your funds are available, you can explore Webull's extensive trading platform. Take your time to understand the tools and research options before placing your first trade. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.